in my room when I got a very strange feeling that I had forgot. The streets of Brussels are wet of the autumn rain. The memories of summer recame in my brain. Rewrite out a bit in a beautiful July day, with a simple thought that it was the beginning of holidays. Only this spot was absolutely fantastic. This ocean and this sand were really the exotism. When waves are run, when the guys are surfing, just having some fun. Or when the wind is blowing, when the kid is swimming, I'm looking to the sun. I turn my head towards the luminous picture. Of course it wasn't a landscape in winter. Another picture of this beach and I return in summer. The perfect amount of degrees and the older sand. The adventures are dreaming, listening to New Orleans band. Let's go to the Cape to admire the deep blue sea. Old school life and our routine are difficult to imagine. So when the waves are running, when the guys are surfing, just having some fun. Or when the wind is blowing, when the kid is swimming, looking to the sun. When the winds are running, when the guys are surfing, just having some fun. Or when the wind is blowing, when the kid is swimming, I'm looking to the sun. So when the waves are running, when the guys are surfing, just having some fun. Or when the wind is blowing, when the kid is swimming, I'm looking to the sun. Yeah! Waves.